Earn money from pellet production with a small investment. Start your business with a 15 kilowatt pellet mill and a precision feeding auger from Artmash. The GPP 15 pellet mill is equipped with conical rollers that do not require constant maintenance, a high-point gearbox for stable and reliable operation, a motor protection system, and an ammeter that helps achieve maximum productivity without risking damage to the pellet mill. The precision feeding auger ensures even raw material supply for consistent pellet quality. Models are available with hopper capacities from 1,000 to 4,000 liters. The production capacity depends on the raw material, sawdust, from 130 to 180 kilograms per hour, grain waste, from 150 to 250 kilograms per hour, MDF, particle board, OSB, and straw, from 130 to 180 kilograms per hour. Pellet quality meets European standards. Produce pellets for sale or for your own boiler. In the future, the production line can be expanded. For example, you can add a cooler, a screener, and a weighing dispenser for packaging finished products. Artmash has more than 15 years of experience in manufacturing pellet production equipment. We have completed thousands of projects. We export our products to more than 30 countries. Our equipment is certified and complies with European Union quality standards. We fully supply consumable materials.